Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ann Scarberry. In today's video, I'm gonna finally take down what's left of our Easter decor and put up my 4th of July / Memorial Day Patriotic Decor to try to get set for the summer. I want to say how much I have missed posting. I have gotten so many sweet messages of you guys checking in on us, and that is so kind. I've missed making videos and posting, but you know, my family's always going to come first, and we have had a lot going on this year. Our daughter has signed a lease, a 5-year lease on a 2,600 square foot space for a bakery, and it has been all hands on deck since February 1st, and I have just been tied up. I'll add some of the footage at the end of this video just so you can see the space and get excited with us because it is going to be amazing. We've had a break in our schedule. We've got some plumbers at the bakery and some electricians, so that does not require my help. So I was finally able to spend some days at home, and the first thing I needed to do was clean out this horrible closet to try to get to this box and see what kind of patriotic decor that I already had. Some of the stuff I made last year, and I did make a video for it. So I will link that video in the description if you want to go back and see how I made some of these things. Some of the benefits of cleaning out closets: you find things you forgot you have. I forgot about this roll of wallpaper that I was going to paper a small hallway in our house. So I found that and I got so excited because I know exactly where that's going and I totally had forgotten about it. You saw how bad it was before. This is my best effort right now. I didn't have a ton of time to reorganize, but that's good enough for now. We're gonna move into the kitchen and just clean up around the sink and change out my Easter soaps for a more summery style soap. I don't even know how to say that. I went to Home Goods to try to find a patriotic soap dispenser, and they didn't have any. I love little, these beautiful bottles of soap that you can get at TJ Maxx, Home Goods, or Marshall's, but they did not have anything that I was loving for this time of year. So I'm gonna look in my stash and see what I have. This is an area that I think is unexpected to kind of make pretty if you can. And I have all of these little silver trays that I get while I'm out thrifting, and sometimes you can use them in unexpected ways. So I'm trying here with my soap, and I thought this little bowl was cute to add extra sponges and a fresh dishcloth and my drain stopper. Thought that turned out cute. The rest of the kitchen, I swapped out the artwork for some Norman Rockwell pictures that I've had and changed up my napkins. I didn't do a whole lot because of my time crunch that I had this week, but I think just little bits here and there kind of make it feel patriotic. And then it's not a bunch of work for me to have to take down when probably in August when I switch out and start on fall. think a fun little detail for Patriotic Decor is using old photos that are in the family albums that are military. They look so handsome in their uniforms, so I like to showcase them here and there. And I had that little easel that I bought from, I think, Amazon, but they're kind of pricey. So I saw this little trick in an antique store last summer, and I just thought it was so clever. Just take a piece of wire and wrap it around a marker or something round twice, and then wrap it around the lid of a ceramic this is a lid from a ceramic teapot. And I just kind of stand it up on the little handle there, and then slide the picture down in that loop that you created. And you have this little picture holder. Another little detail for any seasonal decor is candy for that season. And for me, summertime is saltwater taffy. That just reminds me of a vacation on the coast, around the beach, or the fair. Our fair always had saltwater taffy, and my mom and dad always would buy a box of it. So at Fresh Market, they have this huge display of saltwater taffy, and they always have this bag of the red, white, and blue with the stars and stripes on it. And I just think it's so pretty sitting in this bowl. Bought this little packet of summertime photos at an antique store, and I've used a few upstairs that I really liked, and I just thought I'd go through it and see if there were any cute photos that I thought would be cute tucked in here at this little space in the living room. And I just set it up on this little flower frog. I looked through my files of photos on my computer, and I found these old summertime images from magazine covers, postcards, and I just had a few printed out at CVS just on a 4x6 photo, and it's so inexpensive to do that. I'll put a link for all of the images that I have printed. I'll put that in the description of this video so you can download and have them printed and make them your own. When I was putting in my order for CVS, I wasn't paying attention, and this was the image that I had printed for an 8x10. It's not very summery. I wanted this one as an 8x10. I think it's so cute, but I got a tiny 4x6 in that one by mistake. But I'm going to use this little guy. He's trying to make a decision, getting a piece of penny candy, and I just thought it was so sweet. This is not a Norman Rockwell photo. This is another artist that would make covers for the Saturday Evening Post, and he was very much inspired by Norman Rockwell, but that is not one of Norman's images. I'm tucking in this little funeral fan that I got at an antique store in Georgia. I thought it was so cute. I love the image on the front and the spirit of a fan for summer, so I thought it was funny people would advertise at a funeral. I thought that was funny. This shoe store had an ad on the back of this fan, and I just thought it was so funny. So I'm just going to tuck this little fan in this fern, and I've tucked flags here and there in all my little jars and plants around the house. And believe it or not, this is a minimal decor for me. I just did what I could with the time that I had this week, and I think it turned out really sweet. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for sticking with me. I didn't expect it to be this long, but as promised, here is a sneak peek of where I've been all year. This is the front room of the bakery that will soon be Eleanor's Coffee and Cakes, and it is huge. This is our daughter. She's a pastry chef, and she has been plugging away, and this is a dream of hers, and quite honestly, a dream of mine to build out a restaurant. So this has been such a fun project. So this is the space, and it's coming along very beautifully. It's gonna be fantastic. You can follow along on that journey on Instagram. It's Eleanor's_FL. And watch the process. We should be opening on August 2nd. That is the goal. We just have a little mess in here now. Got to clean it up, and we'll be good to go. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video.